decided to become debt free, one of the first things I decided to tackle was my groceries. I was stuck in this cycle of always buying items that I thought I needed, but actually I already had lots at home, and then wondering what I was going to make for tea. I found myself wasting a lot of money buying items I didn't need, and when I slowly started implementing lots of these tips, it really helped me get control of my budget, and it really made a difference to how quickly I became debt free and what I saved. I think one of the biggest mistakes I ever made was thinking that a budget had to be restrictive and you had to say no to everything. That's not the case at all. A budget can be fun. A budget is a chance to plan your money before you get paid and then decide how much you want to spend on fun and how much you want to save for the future. And I really do enjoy the whole budget experience. It's a form of self-care for me. One thing I've felt is guilt, mum guilt all the time, whether it's going to work or it's not buying my kid the latest toy. It's something that I've always struggled with, but I realised over time that being organised and having like a go-to list of things to do with the kids really helped. I'm so guilty of neglecting myself. Like, the family comes first, the house comes first, my job comes first, but not having time for myself, well, that seems to be normal. And in 2023 I made the decision I was definitely going to put myself first, and this was in all areas, whether it was cooking and making lovely meals that I enjoy, or whether it was exercising and wearing an outfit I love. At the beginning of my journey I felt like I had to say no to buying any items that I wanted, any nice pieces of clothes or skincare or anything like that, but actually what it's about is a balance and having a budget for that particular item. I do believe in having a balance in working for our goals, but then also enjoying today as well.